Interesting enough, the Aztec has the same exact radio as the Grand Prix. Anyway, I am on my way. They already closed. They closed school down in our area yesterday afternoon. They actually announced all these school closings, and yeah, it's real bad out here. That is absolutely no surprise to me. Wow. I know it's hard to tell on the camera, but holy crap. There is a lot of snow on the ground. There really is. Probably a lot of it is from the wind, but on my road, which is a private road, I would probably say there's a good 3 to 4 on the ground at the moment. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Yep, there's a ton of snow on the ground. This side road here is actually not a main artery on this side. It is on the other side of Okemos Road, but on the west end of Okemos Road. Anyway, I'm trying to focus on driving. You can see the snow drifts that have formed, and this is nothing. We've still got at least another 8 to 10 hours of this constant snow coming down, and it's already this bad. That's what's the shitty part. And here actually comes a salt truck. I am really surprised that they are down this road this early. I really am. Oh yeah, I can feel the rear end. Ah, shit, this is gonna be fun. Oh yeah, that was great. I can feel the rear end of the car actually continuously come out, and then of course the all-wheel drive kicks in when that happens. I wish you could set this all-wheel drive system to full-time all-wheel drive, but I guess I won't complain too much. Wow, yeah. Fortunately, it looks like a truck just came down here. As you can see, there's a nice clearing, but it's not going to last long because of this wind. This is definitely a blizzard that's happening now. When it's actually snowing, you know, there's a difference between when it just snows real hard and when there's a blizzard. There's really high winds, lots of snow coming down. Because it's so dark out right now, the visibility is actually decent. But this is going to get real bad here. Snow it. I mean, I'm driving 10 under the speed limit. I should probably be driving even slower. There's undoubtedly going to be accidents on the road. I'm trying to stay within these plowed areas. You can see where they've moved the snow. How was that? Oh, that's nice. Got a headlight out. You know, that's one thing that's always bothered me is, you know, I can get pulled over for having a brake light out the day that it happens, but somebody can drive around for 2 weeks without getting pulled over for a headlight out. Anyways, yeah, it's it is not great at all out here. the shitty thing is that I'll be at work when we get all the snow, when we get really dumped on. So coming home is going to be even worse than this. And the thing that always bothers me is I know that people have jobs and they got to go to work and everything else like that, but I do know of people that get out because they have four-wheel drive trucks or whatever, that will get out in this stuff just to get out in it, either for their own pleasure because they like to feel like they're better than everyone else. I don't know, but I'm actually going to work right now, so unfortunately calling in sick over this isn't an option. Maybe they'll let us go home early if there's enough accumulation, which there's gonna be. If it stays like this, we're definitely gonna get the 10 inches they're calling for, 10 to 12 I think is what they're calling for here. It's kind of weird. All the private plows are out right now. All the plow companies, they're all out right now in full force. And I honestly don't see the point. I know they're going to try to fight the snow as it's coming down, but it's literally going to be an all-day job. There's so much snow coming down right now that when they clear a path, 5 minutes later, it's going to be messed up again. So it's almost as if it would be better to just wait until the storm is done and then start clearing it. Obviously, that's probably not even possible because then you won't be able to get anywhere. But I'm sure that there goes a cop who seems to be driving really fast. I understand that if you're a cop, you're trained for this kind of stuff and all that other crap, but your car is still just as vulnerable as the rest of ours, and they're all in rear-wheel drive Crown Vics. So, but anyways, well, coming in actually isn't too bad. It's just starting. There's an enormous amount of snowdrift, though, as you can see. And, yeah, it's, I don't know, you probably can't pick it up on the camera, but there is near visibility, probably I would say the visibility is about 25 feet